Hello, can you hear my voice and also see my screen? So today's this is 3rd of September. So I want us to start analysis with the chart on the screen. This is EURUSD. You remember what we said a few days ago? We were actually looking for a buy on this chart. I'd like to say that although we do expect price to continue to the upper side, there's likelihood that the price may sell off, especially if it cannot close beyond this line here. So you can see that we had some support here, we had a support here, we had a support here, and there is a break below, there is a pullback, the price continued down and then it pulled back and somehow it's around the same place. So this remains to be the correct place to look for a sell from. If you're on this chart as we're speaking now, expect sellers to push price down at least up to this point. So we don't expect the current week's candle close above this line. We don't expect the current week's candle to close above this line. We want it to rebound from this point, then head straight to the lower side, at least up to this point, 1.18188. So if you are here on this chart, look for a sell position, at least up to this point here. The other symbol is GBPUSD. So with the GBPUSD so far, it looks like the price also gaining momentum to the upper side. We are headed to the upper side. There is a trend line here. This is like a resistance trend line. We had a resistance here, we had a resistance here. There's this continuation to the lower side. There is this pullback. So as we're speaking now, it looks like the price is attempting to break beyond the same trend line. So we want to see price, excuse me, sorry about that. So we'd like to see price clearly ascend and close above this trend line. If that should happen, then we do expect a continuation upwards up to this point. The next target is this one here. So we want to see a break above, a pullback, and then a continuation up with the first take profit here. The next take profit here. If the price should break beyond this up one, then we do expect a continuation much higher. So as it is now, we are waiting for a buy position, especially if the price can break beyond this point, then pull back. The other symbol we do have is this. This is the next level. If the price does not go the upper side, then we do expect a move down up to this point here. The other symbol is the USDJPY. So this chart, so far the price is consolidating. We are not seeing any clear direction on this chart. We have a level there, and then we have another one here. Then we have another one here. So technically, as long as the price is held as it is now, we are looking for buy position. We are expecting price to extend to the upper side. We are looking for the possibility that the price may continue up, at least up to this zone here, this little zone here. So expect price to continue up to this point. Expect a continuation upwards, at least up to somewhere in between this range here. Which means if you're on this chart right now, expect consolidations upwards up to the level which you have at this point, this one here. The other symbol which I want us to have a look at is gold. So gold, so far there is only a level here. We have a very good resistance level at that point. As long as the price does not clearly ascend and close beyond that level, this resistance level here, this is a good place to look for a sell from. So as long as the price does not clearly break and close above this point, this is a good place to look for a sell from. This is a very, very good place to look for a sell from. So we'd like to see price extend upwards, maybe up to this point. If it does not break above it, then this will be the correct place to look for a sell from. If the price does not clearly break and close above this point, then this will be the correct place to look for a sell from. And if the price should break above this level, then the next target is 1907.73, the one we have at the very top. We also have another level here, which means if the price goes above, we want to see a retracement before it can continue up. If the price bounces off from around this point, then this will be a place to sell from, at least up to this point here. The other symbol is SP500. So the SP500 so far, as we mentioned previously, this is a good buy. We are looking for buy positions. We want to see price maybe pull back. If the price can come back up to somewhere around this point here, then this will be the correct place to look for a buy from. So we are not going to sell this. Even if there's a sell signal, we are still looking for buy positions. I'd like to see price pull back up to 45, that is 5.8. If the price comes to this level here, then this will be the ideal place to look for a buy from. The other symbol is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil successfully gapped beyond our level. You can see that we had a trend line here yesterday. The price successfully gapped above it. So as it is now, we are buyers up to this point here. The next target is this one here. So expect price to extend upwards up to this level here, where if it does break beyond, then the next target is 78.756. So thank you very much. This should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. We'll meet again on Monday at the same time. So thank you. See you. Have a great weekend.